Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on ice, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on ice, it's getting the best of me. While in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slap.
So today we are going on a rally. We're gonna meet up with probably about 10-15 other people, and we're gonna cruise from the suburbs to the downtown Chicago, or I think it's in Chicago. If it's not Chicago, we go cruise somewhere, but we're actually getting out this house and we're going on a drive. All right, let go.
All right, we are here at the little cruise. So we got James M3, we got the nice Huracan M3. I'm gonna go down here. A few motorcycles. That looks like a RS7. Is that a Lexus? Oh yeah, that is a Lexus. This is clean. And then of course you got my little, you got the C63. M4, M5. Oh, M6. I haven't seen one of these in a while. This M6 is sweet. Nice Stinger. RS5. These wheels on here are cold. Loud V10. Oh, look at these wheels on this one. These wheels are clean. Look. The carbon fiber tail. Motorcycle. They're oh, this is an M4. So we got another M4 and another M4. Is that an M5? Yo, what's up, bro? That car's cold. So this is really a lineup. Smaller than me. Like I said, like when the weather is 50, it's like 80. It's 80 in Chicago. It's not supposed to be 80. What's gonna be interesting is like trying to get out of this right there. Oh. Yo, check out this Ferrari over here. You hear it? The color on it is badass. This color is crazy.
Okay, cool. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Okay, awesome. What's your name? Carolyn. All right.
Clean. We gotta go get one. Got auto addict. Guys, this lineup is cold. Really, this Ferrari, I'm sorry, this is the black Lamborghini. We probably should add a black Lamborghini to this film. Clean. All right, I'm gonna get in the car and we're gonna make it happen.
of lights.
Well, we'll just every time we see a group missing, we'll just drive.
Just slow down.
Just slow down.
Everyone slow down.
Yeah, everybody's gonna slow down.
Every time, don't make us catch
You know what's gonna
Come
happen,
back.
right? You know what's gonna happen,
team
right?
up.
Everybody left and everybody burned out, spin, and everybody's gone.
I know. I'm gonna be going one at a time. I'm gonna say everyone out, everyone out. I'm not gonna let anyone leave.
So you want to get to
better.
know them, right?
Somebody sees that he's behind. Go crazy.
Yeah,
Go crazy. Try to catch up.
You want to go to? So we're going to planetarium.
Oh, we're gonna go downtown? I'm down.
Yeah, we can.
Should we get going then? Not too much traffic. There's always traffic.
It might not be that bad
It won't
today.
be. It's probably as bad as possible right now.
Did you draw yesterday?
No, I didn't. It was bad.
Sure, man. Everybody from grandma to like 200 years old. It was on. You couldn't drive at all, man.
They said the grandmother was out. So we got an M4. That wing is crazy. This M5. This M6 right there. A few motorcycles. All right, let me. Look at the lineup right there. M5. M3 is nice. Hear that motorcycle? Crazy. Listen to this one right here. This is a 650? Yeah. Get the exhaust on it. Let's hear it. Sounds good. That one's crazy right there. They got some nice cars out here. M4, 335, M3, M3 motorcycles. M3's behind me. All right, go. They're going crazy up there. All you hear is like the different exhaust notes. Crazy! Oh, that little truck right there is not bad at all. All you hear is like the different exhaust notes. That's tough. This Audi right here in front of me is not that bad. It actually looks really good, to be honest. I'm gonna keep it 100. And all you hear is the other motorcycles up there. Check this Lambo out right there. All right, let's see if I can get him. Alright guys, so we made it to the ending location. We are actually downtown. Look at this view. So a couple of us got lost. I know I especially got lost because like I went straight and somebody else went right. Sounds good, man.
Dude, this is what.
Man, I got lost.
Dude,
Like,
we
I was
all
like-
got lost. Where did everyone go? I'm just surprised to see everyone here, though. I'm like, what?
It's a good- yeah.
I honestly thought it was gonna be like 3 people again. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
Dude.
Dude, it was literally us towards the
Dude, what? I sent it on that Facebook thing. All I see is I send a message that says seen by one person.
All right, we're about to take a walk down.
The rod bearing special in all its glory.
There we go.
Yes. Fuck yes. Hey, buddy. Come on, do it. Word out. Sight, all-wheel drive.
Yeah, I'm just like surprised. Literally everybody made it. Everybody got lost. Well, most of the people made it. I'll say like 85%. Checked out this M3. All right, we're about to go down. Walk down the whole road. That sounds good. These wheels are sick. M3. Like, I feel like it's so many M3s out here today. But especially it's a nice night or a nice day for everybody to just come out and chill. This Audi right here really moves.
I got you.
Getting the angles.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So I don't know if y'all remember a few years ago when I had the E60 M5. It was literally the same one, except I had the Interlagos blue, and yep, I had some G2.
Kato, you way too dope, kid.
There you go. From my boy, Chicago Car Guy. It's on top of the auto edit. There you go. There you go. Hey, you better put that. Hey,
Funny as
When I have extended from them because it is.
Alright, check this. This M3 out. this Audi right here. If I was that type of guy, I'd love this car. Yo, look at this. This is an X5L? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna end this video. We all basically just ended up downtown. This is the skyline.
I was told like a fucking.
But yeah, if you ain't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And remember, when we get to 5,000 subscribers, I'm giving away $500.
Yeah.
Alright, deuces.
Get an M for it.